pipe is already looking pretty cool. So we're on the last step, step 6, the curing process. So harvesting is probably my favorite, but the curing step is my second favorite step, and it's pretty awesome. So what you do is you put bamboo over a flame, and there are natural sugars in the bamboo, and the heat will make those sugars expand, and they'll come out of the bamboo, and they'll crystallize around the outside, and will give it this nice sheen, and that will also help preserve the bamboo. So, and if it's a really nice piece of bamboo, it has a lot of sugars in it, and this is what I'm going to show you. We'll see if I get it. Gotta get just right. You might be able to kind of push the sugars out the end of it. If you'll see them boiling out, maybe it doesn't happen all the time, but you stick that right in the fire, and like that'll like kind of crystallize it or caramelize it right in the end, and that's what we want. That's a perfect pipe. So here's how we do it. First, stove. Oh yes, we got our tongs here just in case it gets hot. So I just do like one side at a time. First I do the bowl side, and I just kind of keep it above the flame a little bit. Any sort of heat source works. You could use a lighter, you could use a campfire, you could use a wood burner. You could even use like a stove. I grilled them once. I've never tried the microwave. I don't know if that would work. I'm not going to try. I don't like microwaves. But yeah, so as you can see, here, I want to get a little closer. So can you kind of see the difference in the sheen there? Here, we need in the light. Yeah, let's get closer to the white edge, so it like is in focus. Yeah, you can kind of see how the end there has there's that sheen I'm talking about, and that was from the heat, and this not yet. Okay. So yeah, it just takes a couple seconds of being in the heat for that for those sugars to come out and start to crystallize, turn into the sheen, or whatever the scientific name for the process is. Now, like I was saying on step 3, excuse me, we're going to put each end in to make sure that if there's any little prickly parts, put that right in the fire, that they're just kind of going to burn away. There. Do that on the bottom too. Okay. So that's one side. Hold this with the tongs. There we go. And once again, I'm just going to kind of move it back and forth in the fire on different sides. And I'm really trying to like use the heat to kind of push it out this way. So that's why I start on this side. See, I like this step because it's a nice calm thing to do using the fire. Other cool things you can do with it are you can put it right in the fire. You can leave it in there for a couple seconds, and look, it'll start to you can make different designs with the fire. Spin it around like this. Heat. You don't want to do it too much because, for one, it's bamboo and it will light on fire. Or two, oh, hear that? See the bubbling? That's what I'm talking about. It's even blowing steam out from the, like it's blowing on the fire. So I put that liquid right in the fire because I want to caramelize it right on the end of the bamboo. And I think that's good. Set it down to cool. We're not going to wait because you all got time. Smells nice. There it is. It's done. Once it cools down, it's ready to smoke out. You put whatever you're smoking in there and light up, and just like that.